Hi. In this video, I would like to show you how you can extract data from the World Bank site. Well, as a first thing, in order to get more detailed introduction, you can look to the tutorial created by the World Bank. You can just click on the tutorial and watch it, and it is really a very beneficial and useful tutorial. But as for the basics, in order to extract the basic data, you can just click to the go down. Once you go down, and you can click to the World Development Indicators. Once you click to that, you will get you'll see it in a minute. You will get to basically page where you can select countries that interest you and the indicators that interest you. So once you are here, you can choose countries or regions, global regions that interest you. Let me choose two Latin American countries, Argentina and Brazil. And then let's go down. This website is not only for the international trade indicators, which means you will have you won't have only international trade statistics available, but also other statistics on other parameters are also available. Once you got here, you can click the filter, and you can basically choose something that interests you. Balance of payments might be an option. External debt might be an option. For example, income accounts basically is not related to the international economics. Same thing for the environment. For financial sectors, we can look to the exchange rates, maybe. We have health, we have infrastructure, poverty, which are neither of them are related. Then we have private sector and trade, public sector and social protection and labor. Basically, last two are also not related. So let's look to the private sector and trade for now, and let's look to the, let's say, exports. Clicking exports will make available for you several different data on exports. So let's see which ones are available. Agricultural raw materials exports, percentage of mercantile exports, commercial service exports, computer, food exports, fuel exports, insurance services, manufacturer exports. Basically all exports available, and all exports available, exports to the East Asia and Pacific countries. So you have different options. Just play with it and look what options are available. For now, let's look to the food exports. The last thing you should do is, you can choose multiple of variables, by the way. I'm sorry. Let's for now apply changes. or last thing we should do is add time, which we didn't do for now. So let's click to this and add time. So we have a lot of years available. Instead of clicking all of them, let's one by one, let's choose 50, all 50 years together. So now we can apply changes. By the way, let me press to this. So you could also choose the years by clicking here and choose the years from there. Well, this gives you the data available for Argentina. Well, when you move this bar, you can see the data of for the years before, well, our current time. And you can also go to Brazil and look the data for Brazil. And if you click download options, basically you can click to Excel, which will download the data for you. Let's save the data and then open the data. Okay, let's wait a little bit. So basically you have data for Argentina and Brazil on this Excel file. Let me put it here. So these are food exports percentage of mercantile exports. And you can play with them. If you want, for example, you can take the ratio of them. For example, let's go back all the way. So if you want to do that, well, first you should click to this, of course. If you want to do that, you can take ratio of them and then extend it this. I'm sorry. All the way to current year. Well, you don't have available data for 2016 for Brazil. And then you can also create a chart. In this case, line chart would be more productive. Let's create a line chart. Well, the basic thing we should do is, I'll forget this month. Let's create this type of a line chart. You can basically select data at ratio of Brazil food exports of Brazil to Argentina. And then let's choose data, our data. Okay. Okay, for horizontal, of course, we can also choose this. I think we are done. So this is basic way you can create a chart. You can make it, of course, more beautiful in several different ways. We will have a different video for that purpose. I will show you in a different video how you can play with them, charts and make it more beautiful and appealing.